Hello everyone, let me show you a live demo of a multi-language voice assistant that I'm in working with Vapi. So,
Hello, it's Sophia from i2Flow. How are you doing?
I'm doing very well. How are you?
I'm over the moon, thanks. What's your name, by the way?
Yeah, my name is Gary.
Nice to meet you, Gary. What kind of business are you in?
Um, Actually, I don't understand English very well. Do you have someone who can talk in Hindi or French?
Absolutely. I can transfer you to one of our assistants who speak Hindi or French. Which do you prefer, Gary?
Can you transfer my call to the Hindi agent?
Please hold on while I transfer you to our Hindi-speaking assistant, Vineet.
हेलो थैंक्स फॉर कॉलिंग i2Flow। मेरा नाम विनीत है।
हेलो विनीत, आपका क्या हाल चाल?
मैं बिल्कुल बढ़िया हूँ, धन्यवाद। आपका नाम क्या है?
मेरा नाम गुरलीन है।
गुरलीन, आप किस तरह के बिजनेस में हैं?
विनीत, क्या आप मेरी कॉल फ्रेंच स्पीकिंग एजेंट को ट्रांसफर कर सकते हैं?
प्लीज होल्ड ऑन व्हाइल आई ट्रांसफर यू टू आवर फ्रेंच स्पीकिंग असिस्टेंट थियो।
Bonjour, je suis Théo de AI2Flow. Comment puis-je vous aider?
Bonjour, je m'appelle Gurleen.
Bonjour, je m'appelle Théo. Comment ça va?
Bonjour, tu parles English?
Hello, how are you doing?
I'm doing very well. Can you transfer me to your Sophia, the English-speaking agent?
Please hold on while I transfer you to our English-speaking assistant, Sophia.
Hello, it's Sophia from i2Flow. How are you doing?
I'm doing very well, Sophia. Yeah, all right, thank you. That's all I want to show. Bye-bye. Hello, everyone. I hope you really like the demo. So in this demo, I use something called Vapi Squad. So Vapi Squad is very useful if you want to divide complex workflow through different agents. So instead of like one agent performing like all and everything, you have multiple agents that are able to perform different tasks. And let me show you. So Vapi Squad is about teamwork. Just like an effective team, each member has a specific role tailored to their skill. In this case, is language proficiency. So it allows multiple AI assistants, and each with their own unique capabilities, and they can collaborate seamlessly. So how the mechanism of Happy Squad works is it revolves around something called assistant destination. So this is the destination that in this array you put like something called description, and that description is the trigger. So in my case, if you say to the English speaking agent, hey, can you transfer me to someone who can speak French, that's a trigger. And then it will know that it will transfer you to the agent that can speak French, and I have identified that agent under the assistant destination. So these are essential rules defined within the squad configuration that dictate how and when to hand off the conversation to another assistant. This ensures that the user experience is smooth and continuous without requiring the user to repeat the information and deal with disruptions. Okay, so let me show you my workflow or how I achieved it. So here is a simple workflow. So this is a webhook that receives when someone calls my number, it receives the request for retrieve the agent request, and this is the reply. In this reply, as you can see, you just have to put like if you have a regular agent, this is like all you need. But if you want to have a squad, then you need to also add this, which is squad, and then define the members. So here I have a transient assistant that I have set up. So this is just like how you make regular AI assistant with the API reference. And then this is the function server URL description. So here is the important bit, assistant destination. And here you can see the system name Theo and description, transfer the user to French speaking system when requested. In assistant destinations, you can put in like multiple destination. Here you can see I have put in two destinations. One is when someone wants to speak to a French speaking agent, Theo. And another is when someone wants to speak to an Hindi speaking agent. In our case, it's Vineet. As you can see, like you can have multiple destinations for a single agent. And here like you can continue, and here this I have put like permanent assistant. So this is Theo, that's his permanent ID. And then like the destination is Sophia, so that's the English speaking agent if they wants to transfer the call to the English speaking. Similarly, Theo can transfer the call to Vineet, which is the Hindi speaking. And then similarly, like this is assistant ID of Vineet, and then it can transfer to Sophia and Theo. So basically, it's like a triangle. So like Sophia can transfer to Theo and Vineet. Vineet can transfer to Theo and Sophia, and so on. I know it's a little bit complicated, but like once you understand it, I think it gets much easier. So I'll show you these Vineet and Theo on my dashboard. So as you can see here are Theo and Vineet. And here is something you should do, that if you want to achieve this level of like if you want the agent to speak different languages, firstly make sure that you have put in the system prompt like the language you want it to speak. So in this case I want we need to speak both Hindi and English, because sometimes with Hindi speaking people they also like making mix English. And then make sure the model is GPT4o. Transcription is set to Hindi, because that's what the users are, the clients are gonna speak the language. It has a lot of languages, but so put in the language that you want your system to speak. And then this is the main part. You want the voice to be compatible with the voice that can speak Hindi. Like I know there are many voices in Azure, but those sounds very robotic. So I would prefer 11 Labs. 11 Labs have a lot of good voices, and so just like go to 11 Labs library and pick up a voice that matches your accent or matches the language that you want to speak. You will find a model. And here, this is the main part. Like if you select multilingual version 2, you can see the latency is very high, and that's not very practical if you want to make this for your for your like customers. So here's like this too, 11 labs v 2.5 prototype. So and this is only available if you're using the default credentials of Vapi, but this is a must. As you can see, the latency is down to like just a second. So this part is very important. And other than that, yeah, I think, and then I will show you what other things I've done here. So I haven't used any tools. Here I just like put a function, which is a book appointment function. And then yeah, so this is it. So if you guys have any questions, you can like leave them down in the comment, and I will like try to answer them. You can also join my Discord, and if you want to book a call with me, there's a link down below. So yeah, just book a call with me. And if you want to learn anything else, just let me know. I'm not very good at making videos, but I'll try to do my best. This is my first one, so yeah, the next one probably going to be better. All right then, take care, bye.